大家好，今天我们一起来学习另外12个汉字。Today, let's look at our another 12 characters. And the first one for you today is 车. Its meaning is very basic. Its meaning just simply the car. 车. And we have several words here. And the first one is 出租车. 出租 means rent. So the car that it rent means taxi, 出租车. And the second one is 公交车. 公交 means public transport. So the bus that is public transport, so it's the bus, the car that is public transport. And the next one is 火车. 火 means fire. 火车 fire car, the train 火车. And the fourth one is 自行车means bicycle, 自行车. 1 2 3 4 So 车 have 4 strokes. The next one is 服. And its meaning is the clothes wear or dress. 服 and just one word, 衣服means the clothing. 衣服 also have the meaning of the clothes. 衣服 together means clothing. 衣服. Okay, now let's try to write 服. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 So 服 have 8 strokes, 有8画. The next one is 整. And just have one word, 怎么 means how or why. So 你怎么去北京? How would you go to Beijing? 你怎么去北京? So how would you go to Beijing? And the next one is 怎么样 means how about 怎么样? So 我们去看电影怎么样? 我们 means we 去 means go to. 看电影 watch. Films, watch movies 怎么样 means how about we go to watch film. 我们去看电影怎么样? Okay, let's try to write 整. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 So 整 have 9 strokes, 有9画. And the next one. The next one is 呢 and its radical is the mouth related 口字旁 It's the mouth related. So it just say interrogative for the emphatic final. So there is a question here. 你在干什么呢? Just the interrogative final. So what are you doing? It's just a question word. So you can answer that I'm sleeping. 我在睡觉呢. 睡觉 means sleep. And this is the emphatic final. So you just replied 我在睡觉呢. Okay, now let's try to write 呢. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 So 呢 have 8 strokes, 有8画. Next one is 叫. The same here, its radical is the mouth related. And here it is the meaning. It means call or great or shout. 叫. here 我叫李明 means I'm called 李明 is the name, means my name is 李明. But in the oral Chinese, you can just say 我叫李明. 叫 here means called. 叫 Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 So 叫 have 5 strokes. 1 2 3 4 5 The next one is 影 and its meaning is the shadow, the image, or the reflection. 影子 means the shadow. 子 here just the surface to indicate an object or something. So 影子 means shadow. And 电影 means the film. 电 we have learned this means the electric. So the electric shadow or the electric image is the film. 电影 Okay, now let's try to write 影 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 Okay, for 影 you have 15 strokes, but it just a left and right structure, right? And we can divide it into two parts. This is the left part. It just in this way. 景色的景 is the view, and the radical is this radical. Is the shadow related radical. 山字旁 shadow related. Okay, let's move on. The next one is 字. 字 is very simple. It just means the letter, the character, or the word. So 汉字means the Chinese character. 汉字 So that's why my channel's name is 汉字 with Linda, right? 汉字. The next one is 名字 we have learned this. It just means the name. 名 means name. So the character in your name is your name. The next one is 写字 写 means write. 写字 means write a character or simply write. 写字我喜欢写字 means you like writing the character. Okay, now let's try to write 字. 1 2 3 4 5 6 So 字 have 6 strokes. Let's move on. Next one is I, and it just means love and like. It's a verb or noun. Love, like. So here, 我爱吃米饭. 我 means I means like or love. 吃 eat. 米饭 means the rice. So I love eating rice. I means love, rice. And the next one, 爱情 means affection, love. The courtship, 情 means the feeling. So 爱情 means the love feeling is the affection, love. 爱情 Okay, let's try to write this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 So I have 10 strokes. 有10画 and you can divide it into two parts. Here is the top part and the bottom part. So you can divide it into two parts and write it step by step. Okay, the next one is 商 Its meaning is the commerce business and trade, 商 So the first word 商店 is the store or the shop. 店 also means the store. But 商店 means the store that you can trade, you can do some business. So 商店 And the next one is 商人 人 means man, right? So 商人 is the man that is doing the business. So 商人 is the businessman. 商人 Okay, let's write it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 手上 have 11 strokes. 有11画。The next character is 请 It's very commonly used. So its meaning is please, or you request something, or you invite someone. You can also say 请 or you treat. 请客吃饭 means you treat someone's meal. So the first word 请坐在椅子上请 here means a request, means please. 坐 means sit on the chair. 请坐在椅子上椅子 means the chair. Please sit on the chair. And the next one 请求 means the request. 请求 And 请客means treat the guest. 客 means the guest. 客人请客 means treat the guest, means that you will pay the bill. 请客 Okay, and its radical is the talk related. 言字旁 Okay. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10手请 have 10 strokes. 有10画 And the next one is 火 It's very simple, means the fire. 火 And 火车 we just learned this. 车 means the car. So 火车 the fire car means the train 火车 Okay, let's try to write 火 1 2 3 4 So 火 have 4 strokes. 有4画 The last one is 视 Its meaning is look at or inspect, observe, see. 视 And the first word 视力 Li has the meaning of the ability. So the ability that you to inspect something, to observe something means your eyesight. 视力 means the eyesight. The next one 电视 means the TV, the television. 电视 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 手势 have 8 strokes. 有8画 Okay, that's all of today's 12 characters. And see you next video. Bye bye.